That'll be $1,000. Emergency pricing.
For a kitchen sink. Okay, this is not good. The tap is off, but the water's still leaking. An issue with my kitchen sink. Water keeps leaking under the cabinet even when the tap is off. Can you come take a look?
Sounds serious. I can come right now, but this is an emergency job. It'll cost you $1,000.
Wait, $1,000 for a sink?
Emergency pricing.
Yeah, no, thanks.
There has to be another way. I mean, it's just a leak.
Wait, why do I even need a plumber right now when I can just use AI? Loose pipe connection, worn washer. Okay, this actually makes sense. This really is a new world. I definitely can't afford to get left behind. AI just saved me $1,000.